swear I'm not videotaping you.
And you're filming.
No, I'm not.
And she goes, you're filming me.
I'm not. I swear. I'm just pointing my phone at you. Oh yes, I'm reading a book. Oh, I killed a Smurf. You mean? Oh, no he's not. He's over there. Can we see him through the book rag? Pay attention to the guy in the green shirt. You see the guy in the green shirt over there? Oh yeah, you can see him. Daniel! I'm just reading. I was just reading. Did you just call me a hooker? I had to get that part. Oh, what are you doing?
That's what she did.
Who's the guy you thought was cute, Dewey? Yeah, I can be embarrassing too.
Look, I can go up to the face and film. Want me to?
Sure.
I just filming me.
I'm gonna stop now, but this is going on Tumblr. What?